So allowing yourself to settle again. Allowing yourself to soften, softening all the muscles. As we begin this short meditation, what do I need? So this is a great question to ask, particularly if you're feeling stressed or anxious. It's often you're feeling that way because you're not giving yourself something that you need. So you can take a moment just to pause and ask yourself, what do I need? So it's safe to do so, close the eyes. And taking a gentle breath in and away. A gentle breath in and away. Observing the body on the surface beneath you. And the breath coming and going. And taking a moment to ask yourself, what do I need? What do I need? Just seeing what comes up for you. Focusing back on the breath. Breath coming and going. Breath coming and going. And when you're ready, gently opening the eyes.